We want to factorize 3x squared y plus 15xy squared. We can write 3x squared y as 3 times x times x times y. We then have the plus sign, and 15xy squared could be written as 3 times 5 times x times y times y. We need to look for what's common. We can see a 3, an x, and a y. So we write this down, 3 times x times y, or just 3xy, and open a bracket. What we have left is the x, the plus sign, and 5 times y, which we can write as 5y. This next example is different in that it has 3 terms, but just treat it as we have with previous examples. We have 3y minus 15yz, take away 9xyz. 3y can be written as 1 times 3 times y, and we'll see why the 1 is important later. We then have a minus sign. 15 can be written as 3 times 5, so we have 3 times 5 times y times z. We then have a second minus sign, and we can write 9 as 3 times 3. So we have 3 times 3 times x times y times z. Looking for what's common, we have the 3. We also have a y. So we write down 3y and we open a bracket. It now becomes clear why we needed this 1. It's all we have left in the first term. So we have 1, a minus sign, 5 times z is 5z, a minus sign, and 3 times x times z, which we can write as 3xz.